The EC160A series R2 are a brand new generation of elevated intelligent integrated controller which fully complies with the latest Chinese national standards and European standards EN 18120. It supports STO, SBC, and power-off electronic brake. This eliminates the need for the contactors, reduces the noises, and ensures fast response. It's compatible with various types of the encoders, and the Type-C interface allows real-time system monitoring. It supports OTA, remote updates, and saves status before and after force, enabling quick and precise troubleshooting. It's 28% narrower than the previous generation, saving space and features a built-in C2 filter.